Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're waiting to feel confident before you act, you're training your brain to stay afraid. Confidence isn't what you need to start. Confidence is what you earn after you start. Welcome back to A Better Me. By the end of this episode, you'll have 5 confidence killers and the exact replacements you can use immediately. And stay with me, because number 4 is the one most people do every day without noticing. No complicated psychology, just simple switches you can apply today. Let's go. Mistake 1. You try to eliminate fear. The common line is, I just need to stop being nervous. But nervousness isn't the enemy, it's a signal. When you treat fear like a stop sign, you never collect proof that you can handle things. And without proof, you can't build confidence. Replacement. Act with fear, not big actions, small ones. Example, in a meeting, you ask one clear question, then you stop talking. That's a repetition. Your brain learns, I did it and I survived. Most people mess this up right after the first step. In a minute, I'll show you how to make it stick. Mistake 2. You speak to yourself like an enemy. If your inner voice says I'm stupid or I'm embarrassing, you're not being honest. You're programming stress. Your brain treats your self-task like instructions. So, if you insult yourself, your body follows. Tension, avoidance, overthinking. Replacement. Use neutral language. Not fake hype, neutral. Instead of I'm terrible at this, say I'm feeling anxious and I'm practicing. Instead of I ruined it, say that part didn't land. I'll adjust next time. You say something awkward in a conversation, old you spirals. New you says, okay, one awkward moment, keep going, and you stay present. Mistake 3, you confuse confidence with performance. A lot of people think once I'm great, I'll be confident, but greatness is built by reps, and reps require imperfect action. Replacement, aim to be reliable, not impressive. Reliable means you show up, you try again, you learn fast, you recover quickly. Practical example, if you want confidence socially, don't aim for be charismatic. Aim for one reliable behavior. Ask one good question and listen fully. Do that daily. Confidence follows reliability. Now we hit the sneaky one. This mistake makes smart people look unsure even when they're right. Mistake 4. You compare your behind the scenes to other people's highlights. Online, you see the best 30 seconds of someone's day. You compare it to your full messy reality. Of course you feel behind. And when you feel behind, you hesitate. When you hesitate, you don't act. When you don't act, you don't improve. That loop destroys confidence. Replacement. Compare to your past self only. Keep a proof list, 3 bullets per week. One thing I did, one thing I said even though it wasn't comfortable, one thing I improved. If you want a fast reset before a social moment, feet grounded, shoulders down, slow breath in for 44 seconds, out for 66 seconds, twice. Then speak. Mistake 5. You try to be liked by everyone. People pleasing feels safe, but it quietly kills your presence. You over-explain, you apologize too much, you avoid clear opinions. Replacement, be clear and kind. Instead of, sorry, I don't know, maybe, say, here's what I recommend. Instead of, I can't, I'm so sorry, it's complicated, say, I can do today, I can do Tuesday. Imagine, someone asks you for a favor you can do. All you says yes, then resents it. New you says a clean no, and your confidence grows because you respect yourself. Confidence comes from proof. Proof comes from reps. Act with fear. Speak neutrally. Be reliable. Stop the comparison loop. Be clear, not desperate to be liked. If you want practical tools to build a better version of yourself without overthinking, subscribe to A Better Me and comment this. Which mistake hits you the hardest? Fear, self-talk, comparison, or people-pleasing? Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and to share this podcast. See you soon, and thank you for tuning in.